Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to update your Hotmail or Outlook name, maybe you're rebranding, got married, or just want your account to reflect the real you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you step by step how to change your name on your Hotmail account in just a few minutes. Let's get straight into it. First, open your web browser and head over to the Outlook website. You can either search Outlook Sign In or go directly to Microsoft's official Outlook page. Once there, click on Sign In and enter your current Hotmail email address and password. Make sure you're using the account where you want the name changed. After signing in, you'll land in your Outlook inbox. Now, look to the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile picture or your initials in a circle. Click on that icon and from the drop-down menu, select My Profile. This will open your Microsoft account profile page where you can manage all your personal information. Once you're on the profile page, find and click Edit Name. You'll see two boxes, one for your first name and another for your last name. Carefully type in your new name. Double check for spelling errors because this name will appear to all your contacts when you send emails. When you're done, hit Save. That's it. Your name change is now updated instantly across all Microsoft services linked to your account, including Outlook, OneDrive, and Teams. Keeping your profile details accurate not only helps others recognize you easily, but also keeps your account looking professional and secure. And there you have it. That's how to change your name on Hotmail, the quick and easy way. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe for more useful tech guides, and share this video with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.